Hello guys, today I will try just to give you my story with Facebook. Stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your teacher and coach. Now, why I choose Facebook? Understand that in 2010, okay, I was doing day trading. Okay, I have made some money and then I lost all my money, as you know, maybe the story if you see one of my videos. And then in 2012 and ending of 2010, 2011, we have the big boom of silver and gold. I was there all the time, buying and selling all these companies of gold and silver. And I go to ETFs. I use options. Okay. So, and later I went to trading drugs companies because there is a big move there. Then I go to trade what you call energy stocks. At the time, they were so good. Whenever stock you take, you make money from it. And then 2012, I've heard of the IPO of Facebook. So before, I don't trade IPOs. I trade any stock at random. So I don't go and see the day of the IPO. I don't. From that time, I took interest into Facebook because I've heard that Facebook, although I might not use it in life, okay, I don't use it, but I know something about Google. I know that Google destroyed all the companies that make money from the business ad. When you see now, you find that Google is the first in the whole world. It takes all the money of the ads. If you want to make an ad, all the people know, they go to Google. Okay? But when Facebook comes, it begins to use business ad. It wants to make the money as Google do. But at that time, it was not analysts, they were not serious about Facebook. They say, how can a small company like Facebook about friends and people and relations, he can make money like Google? They don't believe in it. For me, I believe in Facebook as an alternative and as a competitor to Google. This is what I do. Now, I was following it, and whenever there is a trend up, I trade it. I make money, even though it was going down. And one time, when the stock was going down from 45, it goes down to maybe 35 or 25, I say to them that Facebook will be $100. They don't believe, and if you go now to my older videos, you will see people speaking. They say Facebook will collapse and will be 1 cent or $1 and we get rid of this Facebook. They don't believe because the problem of people is that they watch too much analysis. They watch too much TV. TV, it gives you what Wall Street wants you to do. I'm telling you the truth. See it. You try to see it in the future. This is the real truth. Analysts are what? They are people who get paid to tell you what the other people want to tell you. Okay? So most of these people, they don't trade. They don't invest. That's why they put, if you go to some websites, you find a disclaimer. What did they say? They say, I don't own any stock, any share from these stocks that I show in my opinion. Now, why they tell you this? Because the people, they think those analysts, they buy stocks they speak about. But the truth, it is not. And they say in the disclaimer that they don't. So what they say, it is just their opinion. And if someone tells your opinion, you are an adult, you are a responsible person, you should take a decision by yourself. No one will tell you what to buy or what to sell. And this is the truth. If you are responsible, you don't listen to anyone. You study, you learn, you take a training, whatever you want to do, and then you take decisions. If you make the money, it is you who has made the money, not someone else. If you lost, it is you who has lost. Okay? Now, I was always arguing with these people in my channel, and for me, I don't want to ban them from my channel, but I was always arguing with them that Facebook, whenever I put to Facebook, there is a gap up and they make money, I publish that. At that time, I publish a lot, and the people, they say, oh, how do you get the money? Why Facebook gets a gap up? It's not a good stock. It should have a gap down. So they always argue with me, and it was very, very funny. In 2012, at the end, 2013, 14, and then when the stock hit the bottom, which is $17.55, the next day it goes to $19.99. I bought Facebook for the new trend. Okay? It goes to $32, and in 31 I exit the trend. It's a small trend. Okay? So, from that time on, I said, when it was, I think Facebook was $25, I give a signal to buy, and I say, Facebook is a buy now. And I see Dow Jones, I say, almost all the stocks are a buy now. It's just because, for me, I just see something, I want to share it with you guys. At that time, 2012, at the end of 2012, you can check also, I have two videos, one for Facebook and one for Dow Jones. If you don't find the links, I will supply to you guys when you send me an email or you comment on this video. Now, I said Facebook will be $100. No one believes. Because they see the trend going down for long, they don't believe anymore in Facebook. So, for me, I continue to trade, and I'm not telling you it was a mistake that I did. Is that at that time, I have not a big account to invest. Because when you invest, I want to invest a lot of money in few stocks only, especially Facebook. But at that time, I don't have money. I just trade. And I took money from my trade in order to pay bills and so on. So I'm not interested to invest, to put money like this and to wait for many years. But I was always trading. And when Facebook reached 100, I make a big video and I ask all the people who are telling me that Facebook will not be 100. Then it go to 200, as you might know, 213, and now it's near 200. Understand that if you believe in something, if you know a company, if you believe in it, just to try to put some money. Even if you lose, it's okay. Because the best thing in life is you do what you believe in. Okay? Don't watch many years and then say, oh, I don't know that Facebook will go. Okay. I don't know that Planet Fitness from 20, it goes to 80 in 2 years. I don't know. I don't know that Square is from $10, it goes to $100. I don't know. Although, when they were near you, you don't want to buy. You don't want to buy when they are cheap, and you want to buy when they are expensive. This is the real problem of all people who just watch. They don't have any decision making. So if you believe in a company, I'm not saying you just any company you just buy because you believe and it's going down and you just keep losing money. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that if you see an opportunity, especially at the beginning when the stock is just small and it's going up, you can make a lot of money if you decide to buy and wait. This is the good reason, because most of the people, when they see the chart, they don't like it, the stock. They say, where is the trend? And they are mistaken, because when you see the trend, it's over. Okay? It's over. It means you are with the last people to come. It could be a downtrend later. So the first thing is the beginning. And the beginning, there are some techniques that you should use in order to know the beginning and follow the stocks. Now, whenever a stock you buy, if it goes up, just hold and see if it continues to make a big trend. Now, if you buy a stock and it's going down, it's against you, and you don't know that there are fundamentals in this company, especially when you are an investor, you should look for fundamentals before you buy. Okay? The price, it makes you decide when to buy. But fundamentals is good also to know that the company, especially, is making money. Okay? So this, you can find it easily between the years, and you can see some critics or some information about analysts who just tell you how healthy is the company. They don't give you a buy or sell thing. This is what I don't like. I like someone who gives me just the information. I decide for myself to buy or sell. But in general, most analysts, they don't stay with that. They give you recommendations, and this is bad. Okay? And most of the time, when analysts speak, they speak about the past, which is true, but the future is not true. The future, no one knows. And at the end, I am still with Facebook and a little bit with Twitter, because Twitter, I follow it the first 6 months, and then sometimes I trade, but Twitter has lost a lot, although it has some trends, but it's not as good as Facebook. And then I discover Apple. Okay, also I follow for a long time. So whenever I feel, when I say feel, it doesn't mean an emotion. No, it's experience. Whenever I see something, a signal on the chart, I am buying any stock. Facebook, Twitter, Apple, any other stock. I buy. Now you tell me, oh, you can be wrong. Yes, I can be wrong. And I have been wrong many times. But when I am not wrong, I am right. Believe it or not, I will make a lot of money. Now, for this year, I bought a lot of stocks, but the two major that I emphasize on was Facebook and Apple. From the 26th December 2018, when I see the big reverse, after that day, I make a video. After each week, I see all the stocks going up. So I tell you guys, man, I see the market so strong. Each week, when I do my live session on Friday, I told them. But there are some people, they don't believe. They don't believe. And they see the stocks all going up, but they don't believe. They wait and they wait. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, until now, and I get questions. And they ask me, oh, Karim, Is it time to buy stock now? Okay, so there are some opportunities that happen in the market. It happened only once, like the 26th December. It was only once. It happened last year also. There is a reverse. For 3 months I was in a Facebook, Twitter and Apple, but I lost almost all my my profits. I don't lose money, but I lost my profits because there is a big gap up for Facebook and Twitter. Okay, so I was there, so I lost a lot of money in terms of profits. Now, so right now, why I am still with Facebook? It's just because I see opportunities and I see trends. When I see a beginning of a trend, I buy. Now, you can tell me, yes, you buy, but you could be wrong. Yes. Sometimes I buy, it goes up a little bit, go down, I sell. So what's the problem? The problem is that when you don't buy and the stock goes like this year, 4 months, 26 December, January, February, March, April, and beginning of May when I sold. So this is a 4 months trend. And I sold with a gap up, Facebook and Apple, or both of them with a gap up, and I sold all my shares. So now I am waiting for the new trend. Okay? According to what I believe, according to my strategies and my techniques. So for me, technical analysis, I use it a lot, and I use price as the main thing, and some other criteria of trend reverse and some stuff. And this is what I use. I don't care what the people are saying or analysts are saying about any stock. For me, I see the chart and I decide when to buy. Okay? It doesn't matter. Sometimes I put a long list of stocks and I am waiting for them. Whenever it is the time, I buy them and wait. If I succeed, I will be making a lot of money from them. If not, I will just sell them with a small loss, and that's it. Because trying and losing small money, it is better than watching a stock going up and then you regret. This is the problem. This is a psychological problem. When you regret, you see something, it's going up, and you want to buy, but you get scared. Oh, you say, I risk money, and then the stock go down, I lose money. So, if you don't risk, how can you make money? It means you want that you see the future, 4 months or 6 months or 1 year, and then you see all the stocks in the stock market, and you decide the best, and then you buy. This is what you want. This will never gonna happen. And if someone tells you that he knows, that's some people, they say it, I know that Facebook will be 100 now, just buy, and after 2 months it will go to 100. No, this is stupid. This is stupid. But if you believe that it could be a good opportunity, for me, I buy. I don't be scared. Why should I be scared? Is it losing little money you are scared of? Don't trade. Because investing is more dangerous than what you think. Some people think that if you invest, it's safe. No, it is not safe. In 2008, the stock market has lost 50% in 2008. It means after 10 years, okay, you put $50,000. After a few years, it becomes $100,000. You are making a good investment with 100%, But it comes one year that you lose everything and you lost 50%. So you go to the zero investment from the beginning, as if all these years that you make money are lost. So understand also that investing has a big risk. Everything has a big risk. So in the last, I want just guys to tell you that I am with Facebook, with Apple, with Twitter, and with some other stocks I am following. Whenever I see a good thing, I buy them. Now, if I have some money left and I see other stocks, I search and I buy. Okay? So it means it doesn't mean that I am buying only Facebook or Apple or Twitter or whatever. I always buy other stocks if they are good and I see there is a momentum in them. And as you might know, you should risk your money to make money. And that's why always you see in my channel, most of the time I speak about Apple, about Facebook. It is because I traded them. So I know them. That's why, and the other stocks, when I see them, if there is an alert or there is a problem, I sometimes tell you, like last year, when I told you about GE, General Electric. I spoke about General Electric, that it has a trouble when in 2017, all the stocks were going up, and beginning of 2018, GE was going down, and all the stocks are going up in 2017. I have told you that. In beginning of 2018, I give an alert on GE, and I say it is not doing very well. And in June 2018, it was kicked out from the Dow Jones after 110 years of being there. So you see that? So from the price, I understand things better than any analyst who know fundamentals. Okay? Fundamentals, you should go and dig and study and see and sometimes in order to get information. For me, I just see the stock chart. I understand something. GE, I have never gone to its earnings. I have never gone to its fundamentals. I have never gone to see what's going on with General Electric. But when I see it is the only stock in the Dow Jones, or the 29 are going up, only one which is going down, I understand that GE was a bad company now. And if you for example, if you say no, you didn't tell that, you can just go to last year and search for videos about Dow Jones. I put hundreds of videos. 2018, you will find I spoke a lot about GE, and I tell you that it is a bad stock with the proof of the chart. Because understand, for me, I am a chartist, a trend follower. When I see a trend, I stick to it. When I don't see a trend, I exit the trade. Even with a small loss, I do a lot of small losses, yes. Because I try. And I try to risk my money. But when I get to a good trend, believe it or not, I make a lot of money. And this is how I do trading always in my business. Okay? So hope you have an idea about how I traded Facebook. And believe it or not, I don't trade Facebook like a day trading. No, I don't. For me, I like the big trend. I don't like small day trading. You know, it's frustrating, and I don't do anymore day trading. I do mostly 99.99. I do swing trading, which is short-term trading. And as usual, I will be speaking about Facebook and Apple and Twitter in the future always. sometimes when I see something. But guys, sometimes I can't give a buy or sell of something, but I make sure that you understand that you should take decisions by yourself. You should either follow my training and follow me, and at least you will see what I see. Because whenever you get to understand how we trade, and then you get clearly what to do. Okay? So thank you very much, and I hope that a lot of people have bought some good stocks and in good trends. And I see a lot of people sending me emails and commenting on my channel, and they give me their stocks and what they do, and it's very good to share with you guys some trends and some stocks that are or that have done good. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you next video.